Hey everybody, so it's been a long time, but I'm going to show you why it's been such a long time since I've done something, and hopefully you'll understand. It was really hard for me to film this. There's some blurriness. I apologize for that. My camera is pretty old. It's a Canon, God knows how old it is. I've had it forever. It's a G7X. So there it is. I'm so sorry, but I hope you enjoy this. It is for the Miniature Museum, no, the Miniature Society's show, which is a fundraiser in October, and I'm not as good as everybody else, so I'm trying my best. So I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you at the end. So welcome. This is the Sherlock's flat. A few things I bought from a download from other people where I put it together, but they made the design, like the chairs, the coffee table, the fireplace, and the bookshelf that's on the right. I created a slipper for his tobacco, 3 pipes because he had a thing about 3 pipe problem, the knife and the memo for the fireplace, all his books, and that bookshelf, I think, and the chair was from Bentley House. She has free designs that you can use. The coffee table, I got that from an Etsy shop. The books was from another YouTube creator. It was free downloads. Some of the books things I bought. I tried to make a hat. I don't know which one is better. I think the one on the floor is the one I'm going to use. The one on the chair looks nasty, so I'll get rid of that. The chairs was from another creator on Etsy, and these are all files that you can use on your Cricut. The fireplace was a design from an Etsy shop, and you had to put that together. The tea set, I did that on my own. I'm just learning, so I just try to do these things. Oh, and the rug is also from an Etsy shop. So these things are all things that I'm learning how to do. I wanted to keep it small because if you saw the miniatures these people do, and I'll probably upload a video of the event, because you would not believe some of the things that these creators can make. I changed some of the pictures on the serial killer wall. Those are not serial killers. Oh, here's the violin I'm trying to make out of polymer clay. And I'm trying to put the strings on it, and boy, is that a tedious job. So we'll see how that works. We don't know. Right now it looks okay. But as I'm trying to put the strings on, oh my goodness, let me tell you. So I'd love feedback. Everyone is very kind and considerate. I couldn't do a close-up shot. I tried really hard to do close-ups. So those are 2 slippers. I did 2 slippers and 2 hats. The one slipper that I actually put on the fireplace looks more like the Persian slipper that is in the Sherlock Holmes gallery. And see, it has a little, I think I show you, it has that little edge there where it has a tassel. I did the best I could. And then the 3 pipes and the knife. I think the knife came out pretty good. I probably could do better next time, but there it is. So let me know what you think. I'd love to have your comments. If you're not subscribed and you're interested in seeing what I get myself into, I'd love for you to tag along. And as always, remember to hit the bell icon if you want to get notified when I do upload. I upload a lot of paper crafts. Whatever I'm doing at the time, I am very, I hate to say ADD, but I lose interest in a lot of things, and I have to do something else to beef it up. And then I come back and do things I've done in the past, where paper crafting and stuff. But this is it. And oh, yeah, if you wouldn't mind, give me a like if you like this content, or if you like this video. That's it. That'd be great. I'd love to see your comments. Where are you watching from? I'm interested, and I want to say hi to you and thank you for being here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.